right, look. Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. It is a real quick video. We just got an email from a fellow that lives out of our state that came in 2011.
Yeah, it reminded us of him because this year has been repair year.
Yeah, and he had gone to a place that advertises a lot and had a strip surgery done, and this is his result. And he was unhappy, and I can understand it. I mean, he had no hair growing there, 10 hairs maybe. And so we did a procedure on him back in 2011, and I think we did a second little case on him in 13, and we haven't heard from him in 6 years now.
Yeah.
And I get an email from him about once in a while. He got married, and I think he had a kid, but he sent pictures, and he sent these pictures, which are now at 8 years and a month.
Yeah.
And this looks good.
Yeah, it does look good.
I begged him to let me use his pictures, his face
The
pictures.
face pictures.
Yeah,
Yeah,
'cause,
they don't.
that adds everything. So, I mean, it would have been so nice to have a face picture with him because it really shows everything. But he wouldn't let me do it. But if you look at him, it looks to me like the years and that wife of his and the kids are taking a toll. I think he's losing a little hair towards the back. So maybe we'll see him again in the future. But yeah, this is a great. We don't get many 8-year follow-ups.
No,
People
so it's good
lose
to
track
show.
of us,
Yeah.
And the advantage of having black guy hair is those hairs are like boxwood bushes. They cover really well as compared to the finer, dark hair with a white-skinned guy behind it. These hairs cover great. They're hard to do. All the cutters get headaches doing curly hair, but they turn out well. So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.